Imagine being in a quiet town in the New Mexico desert, where the sound of the wind in the mountains and the silence of the plains are interrupted by a mysterious hum. This phenomenon, known as the Taos Hum, is a low-frequency sound that has been reported by many residents of the town of Taos and its surroundings since the 1990s. Although not everyone can hear it, those who do describe it as a constant hum, similar to the distant sound of engines or turbines. What is most intriguing is that, to this day, no one has been able to identify the exact source of this sound, leading to a variety of theories ranging from scientific explanations to supernatural speculations. The presence of this hum creates discomfort for some, who claim it causes headaches, insomnia, and even anxiety. Among the most popular theories is that the sound may be related to underground industrial activities or natural vibrations of the Earth, such as micro-earthquakes or tectonic plate shifts. Other explanations suggest it could be caused by atmospheric phenomena or even frequencies generated by radio waves. However, science has yet to definitively prove any of these theories. The hum in Taos is not an isolated phenomenon. Similar sounds have been reported in various other parts of the world, including Canada and the United Kingdom. This raises even more questions. Could these hums be connected? What do they have in common? Many people who hear the hum describe the sensation of a sound coming from within their own heads, leading some experts to investigate whether the source could be the human auditory system itself. A study conducted in Taos in the 1990s attempted to identify patterns among residents who reported the sound, but surprisingly, found no significant correlations. The perception of the hum seems subjective, with some people hearing it at specific times of the day, while others claim it never disappears. For some of these individuals, the search for answers has become an obsession, and living with the sound, a difficult burden to bear. Among the more eccentric explanations are those involving conspiracy theories. Some believe the hum may be related to secret military tests or the interference of advanced communication technologies. There are also those who suggest the sound is a sign of extraterrestrial activity, fueling the popular imagination that New Mexico, famous for the Roswell incident, is a point of interest for aliens. These theories, though unproven, are part of the narrative surrounding the mystery of the Taos Hum and attract both skeptics and curious individuals who travel to the region in search of answers, or perhaps in the hope of hearing the mysterious sound. Regardless of its cause, the Taos Hum remains an enigma. For those who believe it to be of natural origin, the solution may lie in future geological or acoustic discoveries. For those who see something beyond the physical world, the hum will continue to be a source of fascination, challenging our understanding of sounds and vibrations around us. The truth is, as long as the hum continues to be heard, the mystery will persist. What we know is that, in a world of technological advancements, there are still mysteries that escape rational explanation, leaving room for the unknown.